Hi, it's Kate with WTI. Now, if you're wanting to add some more to your space, this mirror behind me from Barnyard Design is the perfect solution. So not only does a mirror make your space feel bigger, but with this beautiful wooden frame, it also adds that element of coziness. It goes with all kinds of different styles and decor. My home happens to have a lot of wood. I have wood beams, so this mirror just accents that so nicely. It pulls it all together. But even if you don't generally decorate with a lot of wood tones, this will go with your style, I'm sure of it. It's the ideal size. It's a 2x3, so 2 feet high, 3 feet wide. It's a nice chunky frame. It's kind of a distressed wood, a lot of different wood pieces put together. It is very well put together, so it doesn't feel fragile. It's a really solid piece. It also has the hardware to hang on it either vertically or horizontally. So as you can see, we put it lengthwise over our coffee bar. I love the way it goes with the buffet. It really pulls together nicely, but an ideal size. So whether this is going over a sink in a bathroom, over your vanity, in your entrance, no matter where you put this, it will be a star. So if there's something missing from your space, try out this mirror. I'm sure you won't be disappointed, and that's my point of view.